In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your normal photo to like this and like this. Trust me, you're gonna love all the results. I'm going to share all the most trending prompts one by one. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, all you have to do is just take a normal selfie or take a simple picture with a clear face visible. For example, I took this photo. Now next, open a Google app, click on search bar and just type Gemini AI and just click on search. Click on first search result and you will see this interface. Okay, so I'm going to show you 4 most trending prompts which you are looking for. Okay, let's try first one. To add your picture, just click on this plus symbol, click on upload files and just select your photo. After that, just tap on ask Gemini and just paste the prompt I have mentioned in the comment section, or you can take a screenshot from here. Okay, so this is our first prompt and simply click on send. And this is our first prompt result. It looks so realistic. And to download the picture, just tap on the photo and click on download symbol. Okay, now let's try second prompt. Just tap on ask Gemini. Okay, so I'm pasting the second prompt and this is our second prompt. You can copy this prompt from the pin comment, or you can just take a screenshot and by Google Lens you can copy it. Okay, and simply click on send. And here is our second prompt result. Just tap on the photo and click on download. Now we are going to try our third prompt. Again, just tap on ask Gemini and just paste the prompt. Okay, so this is our third prompt and simply click on send. In white side, it looks good. Now the last prompt, which is my favorite one. Again, tap on ask Gemini and just paste the prompt. This is our fourth prompt, my favorite one, and just click on send. And here is our final result.